So what kind of images we need? Actually, for our website and to make retouches for images, we need two kinds of images. The first one is vectors. And vectors are actually images which has just like it consists of paths. And paths are actually just like points that split our image into just like components or pieces, like the pieces that compose a puzzle. You remember that game for the children? Just like when you get a puzzle of 25 pieces, and when you put the pieces together in an ordered way, you get a final good picture or a final right picture. It's the same like vectors. Vectors are different layers like the ones you can make with Photoshop, and these layers make an image which is a little bit complicated, and that is consist of different components that make this page and make a lot of effects for this page. And the second type, high resolution images. High resolution images are actually, all of you know the high resolution images, just like simple images. So we need these two types of images. The vectors are the ones we're gonna fill with the high resolution images. So the high resolution images will only work as background for these beautiful and stylish vectors. To get vectors, we need a website like Freebec. Freebec is a website which has a lot of free resources. Of course, it has premium ones, but the free ones are actually amazing. So we will need this. Of course, there are other alternatives, but this is the one I actually I use a lot, and this is the one I actually do a lot of my work with. For the H or for the high resolution images, we need one of two websites, and actually there are a lot more, but these ones are actually very special for me because I use them a lot and I find a lot of suitable images on them. Pexels.com and Unsplash. For these ones, they are actually great and they have a lot of very good content, and most of it is free, so you have to try them. Let's go now and get our images and see how we can download them.